up? It's Skull003. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing of actually a 16 Pro, and believe it or not, this isn't mine. I like a lot of the stuff I unbox is not really mine. But anyways, like my last video, the MacBook video, link down below and in the top right corner. Yeah, that's not mine, and neither is this. But we're gonna unbox it anyways because I got permission and it's fun and it's cool. And then I have little ASMR purposes and whatnot. So I have my my camera angle set up. I'm trying something a bit different, so it's not gonna look the same as last time. It might not look as good as last time. We'll see. In fact, I might even adjust it because now that I really think about it, I don't know that it's gonna look that good. Let me just double check and I'll get back to you. No, yeah, you can only see like right where the phone is and then it cuts off. So, give me a sec. Okay, so I think it's better. I don't think it's the exact same as last time. Hopefully it's better. We'll see. I still have this is only my second video doing it with this setup and this, like the way I'm doing it. So, yeah. So I also have my dad's 13 Pro Max here to compare because, obviously I'm using my phone to record the other angle. But let's just do the normal, satisfying. Still have the pull tabs on, that's my bad. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've done this. Hey, that was pretty good. Okay, now it'll do the thing. Perfect. Ooh. Okay. My sister doesn't like the lack of colors. However, I think that this looks pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. Even though it's very plain and very basic, most people put a case on their phone anyways, so I am of the opinion that it's not a massive deal. Although I can't really talk because my phone's a really cool purple, so I mean, I don't know. And my dad's is a cool gold, so yeah, I don't know. The colors are the most lame they've been in a long time. But it's not terrible considering most people put case on their phone. So okay, so it doesn't feel bigger than like a 6.1 inch display phone, because that's what they normally are. That's what the bases are. That's what the Pros before have been. But this is 6.3, and the Pro Max would be 6.9. The old Pro Maxes are 6.7, like mine and my dad's. And so just a size comparison, so slightly bigger than 6.1, you can see, but it doesn't feel too much bigger, which I think is actually a benefit. Because for the people who want a smaller phone, it'll like not feel too different, but it'll also just be so much bigger, and like it's really not, but it is. When you're watching content or when you get to display a couple more lines of text in an email or a website or something, it does make a difference. So that's nice. And the rounded corners, I never got my hands on a 15, but the rounded corners and stuff, so like holding it in your hand is so much less like sharp than holding like my phone or my dad's phone in your hand, where it's like not very rounded, it's very sharp, it's like in your skin kind of thing. So yeah, damn, this is a very clean looking phone. Also, obviously they're not direct generation comparisons, but the cameras are, they big boys. Okay, so here is the ASMR peel. That's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Dynamic island. Very clean, very just just like any other phone with the dynamic island, any iPhone. That if you've seen one, if you've had one, looks the same. Yeah, the screen is slightly bigger. Like once it has the little cover off, you can tell, but it's not massive. It's actually kind of nice. It's a really nice size. And then here's the action, the camera action button thing, and then here's the actual action button. So yeah, very, very clean. Those extra buttons are kind of nice. My mic isn't even picking that up. Yeah, they're very just normal, not too clicky, not like too soft. They're buttons, they're iPhone buttons. So let's turn it on. Oh, and also in the box, it looks like you just get cable. D2C. Forgot that iPhones were C now. Lol. And then just your documentation type stuff, which the box is a bit different. It's interesting. And we have the hello screen. So, yeah, this is it. The bezels are incredibly thin. That is a very good looking screen. I'm impressed with that, really. It looks just, I don't know. I should have turned that stupid light off. um, but yeah, that's the unboxing. That's the first impressions, really. There's not too much I can say. It feels very clean. Obviously, I'm not really going to get to use this phone. I'm not going to get to play around with the camera very much, if at all. It's my sister's, my other sister's, not the one who got the MacBook. But, yeah, it's an iPhone. It's a Pro iPhone, and it looks and feels very clean, and the screen size is a very nice in between having like a very small phone and a big usable screen. It's perfectly in between because it's got that easy to hold, easy to reach kind of thing, and then it's also got that like um big enough screen to where you're going to want to consume content on it. It's not been like, "Oh, I need a tablet to do this," because like you have the screen space necessary to do what you want to do. And I really like that. I think that's a really good thing. So, yeah, there's not much else to say. So, I think that's going to be the video. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. If you haven't seen my MacBook unboxing, please make sure to go watch that. And all my previous videos, I can also link my 14 unboxing, which was a bit different than this. But yeah, so yeah, I'll link my Twitch and my gaming channel and whatnot, and I'll see you later. Peace.